Hello there, my friends, and welcome. What if I told you there was a way to get help writing content, planning posts, and creating graphics, and it's totally free or super affordable? Would you be interested in learning more? Well, AI is like having a digital assistant helping you run your business, right? And in this video, I'll show you how you can use AI to grow your online business, even if you're not tech savvy. So stop telling yourself that limiting belief over and over again. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com. Originally from Malawi, I'm studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. Now, I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. So if this sounds like it's for you, then make sure you stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you, okay? So what is AI and why should moms care? Think of AI as having your own personal assistant who doesn't take breaks, who doesn't call in sick, who doesn't let you down, okay? AI can help you in running, writing, planning, designing, and even talking to your audience. It's very, very powerful. And you don't need any technical background. You just need simple tools and your intention, your objective, your goals, what you want to achieve with AI. So what I want to do here is I want to share with you some AI tools that I use to help me build my business, and they could be helpful for you as well. So first and foremost, I don't have to share my screen, but it's ChatGPT. I never used ChatGPT until this time last year when I started learning. I became part of this live interactive coaching and mentorship program that teaches me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So it teaches me how to stop bothering my family and friends, DMing strangers, and how to use attraction marketing to connect with my target audience. So I since then, this time last year, I use ChatGPT every single day. ChatGPT is like having a genius friend by your side. You can ask anything and they'll just give you answer. And the more you ask it, the more you can train it to actually give you better, because the quality of the information it gives you depends on the input that you put in, right? Garbage in, garbage out. But ChatGPT is one of those tools that I use every single day, and it's free. I use a free version. And the other one that I'd like to share with you that I use every day, that is on this video as well that you're watching, the thumbnail would have been created in this platform here. Let me show you. It's called Canva. This is the platform here. So it's, again, you can create a free account and you can literally go here to Canva AI, which is new. You can ask it to design anything for you, to create an image, to draft a document, to code for you, to create a video clip, right? You have to be a paid member to create a video clip, but you can literally tell it what you want it to do. And here it shows you what it can do as well, right? So here's a video, shows you what that video looks like and all that. So you can get an idea before you tell it. Very, very, very powerful tool to help you build your business. Pictory is the easiest way to create professional videos for content marketers. And you can see here, there's different things that you can do with it. You can turn a text into video in minutes. You can paste your URL. They can turn that into a video, transform long form videos into engaging branded clips. You can add captions. It's just different ways you can turn slides into videos. Where creativity meets. So it's all about leveraging AI. And most of these things here have, like here you can see learn, where there's a blog, there's a tutorial, there's video templates, okay? There's everything, right? You don't stop telling yourself limit things that don't serve you, right? You don't need to be tech savvy in order for you to leverage AI. You just have to have the desire to learn, the willingness to invest the time and the money to learn. And you are a computer. Your brain is like a computer. You can program it to do anything, to learn anything. It doesn't mean it's going to be easy, but as long as you're consistent, you can see results, right? So what I want to do is I want to share with you this live interactive coaching and mentoring platform where I've learned everything about chat. You know what? I'm actually going to share my screen now, and let me share it. And here, look what I was learning, what I've been learning today, right? I've been learning ChatGPT training with Mike. So powerful. I had to pause this video half an hour in because I was watching it while I was doing other things and I was trying to multitask. I was like, no, I have to go back, right? Because in this video, he's telling us how, you know, how if you're aware of ChatGPT, you're always looking for prompts, right? So he's teaching us how to get ChatGPT to give us prompts. So you can see here, and he's teaching us in this training how to get ChatGPT to get you to repurpose information. So let's say you tell ChatGPT to design create an outline for a short form video. You can tell it to turn that into an email, long form, and everything. So you're using one content over a few different ways. Very powerful training, right? So this was literally open there in my it's on my desktop there, it's open. You can even see if you rewind the video, I went here, right? But this was there anyway. So very powerful. But let me share with you our bonus site, because we have a live interactive coaching and mentorship which is based on a proven step-by-step blueprint. Now you get you get an app on your phone, and you get a bonus site. This is the bonus site that I'm showing you right now. You can have it as an app on your phone, and you can access it from a browser as well. You can see we have over 54,000 paid members. 153 are online right now. It's about 3:30 in Dublin. If I ask the question, oh, it's actually 223. One of them would answer me straight away, right? This is where the people are. There's always somebody online because we're in Africa, Europe, Asia, the Americas, South, North, Australia, everywhere. And what I love about this program is, even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, every single week we get live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure mentors. So you can see here, this is our calendar for July, and these are the calls that are coming on. This call here is all about how we can be omnipresent, right? How we can repurpose our content on multiple platforms, which is what I do anyway, from learning from here, right? So these are all the live interactive coaching and mentorship. There's a technical call, there's this training there, there's all this. There's a free webinar happening, and there is welcoming new customers. Okay, very powerful. Again, this is our bonus site. It's not the actual thing that you pay for. This is just extra. The classroom is really powerful because we have extra tools and resources to help us stay focused on building our business. So the Freedom Sprint is where our multi-millionaire, look at this our multi-millionaire, she sends us a video a day, right, for 90 days. And the video can be anything from mindset to skill set. And we're day 52 of the 90-day sprint. And here she's talking to us about guide others using ChatGPT, right? So here's a training. I'm learning about ChatGPT from Mike. And then I go here to my 90-day sprint. My multi-millionaire is teaching me about it. And then here we even have a worksheet, right? There's a worksheet there that I can open, and I can to define your perfect customer, fill in the content formula, and so on and so forth, right? So this is so exciting. Well, I'm excited to actually watch this video after. So so go back to the classroom. We have webinar resources to help us promote our webinar. We have mindset training from a six-figure mentor. She's a hypnotherapist, and she has tools in there to help us get rid of our stinking thinking. We have social media training. We have mentoring replays that you would have missed, 6 figures in 6 months. We have some members who earn six figures in 6 months. They show us how they did it. We have a content vault where we can download content onto a computer and upload onto social media. Very, very powerful. Lastly, here are some wins. So if I go back to all, you see that video just appeared there, 2 hours. I can't wait to watch that video, right? But if I go to wins here, just to impress upon you the type of wins that we have in our community, Christy, 12 hours ago, another $900 sale on Sunday while relaxing after church, bringing my June goal to 5,400, right? This also means I've officially hit 43,000 in commissions starting in August last year, right? Congratulations, absolutely amazing. My first sale, Janadine, after 9 months of stopping, started again, upgraded, and so on, right? Alana, 4 days ago, yeah, it's Friday, $100 before 9:30. Congratulations. Brooke, 3 days ago, $300 sale, right? Just passed my first month posting on TikTok. My win, Danile 6 days ago made $300 and $100. Zelna, first sale. I got my first $100 sale on June the 27th. Congratulations. Daniil, 900 breakfast ding. Congratulations. Carrie, 15 hours ago, just a $2,700 Monday. Thank you. It never gets old. Daryl says, look who is in my neck of the woods. Over 500,000 in sales on one side and over 420 sales on the other side. These two here are both six-figure mentors, right? So one of them has earned 500,000. I think that's Victoria. And then Daryl has earned 420,000. And they both mentor us, right? They both mentor us in this in that calendar that I showed you, right? Let's see. First TikTok, Cecilia, 1,500 while watching rugby. She's another she's a South African millionaire. She's a six-figure mentor, right? Very, very powerful. And so on and so forth, right? So I'm going to stop there. I need to take a drink of water. But if you're a busy mom, you're sick and tired of trying to figure it out by yourself, we have here a proven step-by-step blueprint that was created by a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren. She went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning her first million in 17 months. She's gone past her 6th million in 3 years, and she's on a mission to help 1,000 members of our community earn their first 6 figures. So far, she's helped over 100 members earn 6 figures, and over 19 members have become millionaires in South African rands, right? So this year, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, go ahead and type blueprint in the comments so I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.